Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your app gallery. Right here let's find an app called Notify Buddy. We can click on Get and this should transfer us to an unofficial website. So it's app pure, we can download the app file. When it's ready, click on the open, allow to install it, then open the app. Here we can begin the setup, so choose your phone, any permissions and allow them. And last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. If you have any issues with the app, go back and disable it. Now there's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can enable any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing with all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. Let's click on the test button and you should see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.